something that comes from Shehzad's heart. And Shehzad, you're angry.
Oh,
The
Leena,
the camera is on you.
don't get me started. I am so angry at Imran Khan.
Oh,
I am so angry at Imran Khan. It's just I don't know what to do, and I don't get angry. I've become a Zen person, but I'm so angry at Imran Khan, and it has nothing to do with his policies or run for presidency or prime minister. All of that. I am angry because he left Jemima Khan. Have a look at this. I mean, I was just scrolling through my Instagram
okay.
and I saw this video,
Okay.
and look at how gorgeous they were as a couple. You know, and look at the chemistry in between. It's so beautiful.
Right.
And the smiles. I haven't seen him smile like this ever since. And the fact is about Imran Khan, I mean, it's kind of a story whereby, you know, there have been several interviews of his, and there have been tweets from Jemima Goldsmith now, you know, as well, even after they split up, of how she supports Imran Khan, you know, her tweets and messages to Imran Khan. So she was clearly in love, and he was clearly in love at that point. And she also talked about Imran Khan's humor. I think a lot of people don't see. I mean, I have always seen him as a leader of men, as a person whose relentless elite mentality, be it sports, be it personal life, be it physique. But she shared a joke once about Imran Khan that when he was in his first election ever in Pakistan. So, I mean, he lost big time. Pakistan PTI, his political party, they lost big time. So she says that he calls me and he says, Jemima, it was a landslide victory. And she's like, wow, I'm so happy for you. And she's like, no, for the other side. You know?
Right.
See, he had a sense of humor with her as well, which the
Right.
public has not really seen about Imran Khan.
Uh-huh.
He mentioned in one of his BBC Hard Talk interviews before he got elected as prime minister,
Uh-huh.
he was talked about Jemima and this whole thing that how, you know, like how would it have worked? He said, you know, if I stayed with Jemima and I moved to England and I just had a purposeless life somewhere in the countryside of England, not fighting for my people and for the truth and for all the good principles of that should stand. If I don't do this, if I don't pursue this, and I don't, it's not fair to bring Jemima along for this ride. You know, it's not fair to her as well. And I respect that. I can, but is living in the countryside of England with the woman that you love, having chickens and sheep, getting up in the morning, running in the mountains, keeping yourself fit, is that a purposeless life? I think that's a beautiful life. And if this was a friend, Leena, I would say, you idiot. You idiot. You messed this up, such a good thing for yourself. But obviously, it's not a friend. It's someone who I respect immensely. But I do want to say it. And then after that, he got married to this journalist lady as well, which lasted like 4 days or something. And then he got married again. Man, I am. How could you?
Let Jemima go. You know what, Shehzad? This actually brings me to.
I'm sorry, I almost felt like I was out of my body right there for the last 2 or 3 minutes.
Right,
I don't know
right.
what happened around me.
No, you were very emotional, and the
Yeah.
camera was on you. You had the spotlight.
Okay, thank
So
you.
I really appreciate you bringing that up, because I don't think I have thought about this whole ordeal, because Imran Khan and Jemima Goldsmith splitting, obviously for reasons that he had his own calling.
Hmm.
That really talks about how people evolve, and in a marriage, so people evolve independently, individually, but also in a marriage, two people evolve together, but two people are also evolving independently.
Mm-hmm.
And you do not know where your evolution takes you. And there are times that, like, for example, right now, you are at that age where you think that this would be such an amazing thing. Why would anyone let go of such a beautiful life with a very beautiful woman,
Hmm.
with a life in the countryside, that now you're in jail, right? For
Whoa.
somebody, that would be the worst decision. But for somebody else who has a different point of view, whose experiences have taught them something else,
Hmm.
they may have thought that this is the right decision. That's why they made the decision to let go of your life partner for your own personal cause. Is a big sacrifice. It's a huge decision. Imagine the kind of turmoil and the sleepless nights he would have gone through to actually arrive at this conclusion, and then to actually tell the other person, and the other person would be like, what? Like,
Hmm. Hmm.
you want to break up because you want to pursue being a leader of the country, and you don't want me getting involved in there. I'm happy to be involved. And then he would be like, no, you should not be getting involved. This is not the place for you, because there will be things that will, because he saw this coming, because that's what happens when such revolts happen, when such turmoil happens. Even the wives, even the kids, even they are tortured, even they are
Hmm.
put in jail.
Hmm.
So her accepting that, and then them amicably letting it go, and still not build that kind of animosity, that they can still talk to each other. She's still raising the kids. She's raising Sita White's daughter as well.
Hmm.
And so this is like, it's a huge thing for a couple to go through,
Hmm.
and to survive that and still be on talking terms.
Yeah. And if anything, supporting each other and bucking each other up and fighting for each other as well.
Yeah, yeah, that is amazing.
But still, Lena, I mean, if this was a friend, I'd say you idiot.
Oh man.
Honestly.
I just wish one thing. What's done is done, right? I just wish one thing, that may he be successful in doing what he sacrificed all this for.
Hmm.
You know, because what a waste
Hmm.
it would be if you are not even successful in achieving what you wanted to achieve. May he be successful. So let's
Absolutely.
let's let's leave it at that.
Okay. Good. I feel much
Oh,
better.
Shazad got really
That
emotional
was like
there.
therapy for me right there. Yeah.